you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. This is a quick kit we got from Temu. It is a Pacman kit, so I'm pretty excited about it. Always love Pacman. Let's see what we got inside here. It is a Lego-sized brick that's being built from, but it's not Lego bricks themselves. These are very, very much Legos, fake Legos. Don't doubt it. Totally fake. Okay, let's take a look here. So, that's what we got here. So we got Pacman standing on top of posts there with ghosts surrounding him. Let's see here. Rotate button. It says so. Must be some kind of movement. It seems there. We've got a little joystick there. Yeah. And let's take a look in the book here real quick. Colors are very vibrant. So everything looks pretty easy to follow, I think. I think everything looks pretty easy to follow. Nice vibrant colors there. Maybe too vibrant, I don't know. We got there we go. Got a little Packy McPacman in there. Alright, let's take a look at the bricks here real quick. We've got bag 1 and 2, and bag 3. So we've got nice divisions. Well, hopefully that means some kind of, yes, numbered bagging. There we go. Number 1. Right there. And we got some stickers, it looks like. They appear to be a sticker type sticker, not a rub-on. Okay, well, okay, let's get this built real quick on camera, then we'll give it a good review. Okay, we got it done. Let's see, we'll give him a little rotation here so everything moves on him. Got a little dog here, there. And there and there. Alright, keep going. So all 4 ghosts turn, as well as Mr. Pacman himself. Pretty good. I think occasionally there have some slipping of gears, but it does pretty well. This is purely decoration. There's also a little on button down here. Might be hard to see. It's also for decoration. It was a lot of fun. The directions were very good. The bricks held together pretty good. Very, very pretty good. The bricks held together very well, actually. None of them were really stressed out a lot either, so that's the one thing. If you're not really putting the bricks under a lot of stress, then you can usually expect them to hold up better than otherwise. He's everything you could want in the Pacman, I think. The Pacman modeling is awesome. I think he looks just like Pacman should. The ghosts are pretty cute. I would have liked to have more dome-like heads, but, you know, you're dealing with square bricks, so it's probably asking a lot. Underneath here, there's an area where to help hold this or build this joystick. There's a piece I wish that could have been about half the width that they used, and it would have made things go in a little bit more firmly, but it still works out fine. So it's a bit of a petty complaint. They didn't have to, but they put a nice little pattern there on the base of Pacman's platform there, so you actually have some nice little design there too. I'll turn it a little bit, maybe it's a little easier to see. Yeah, so I think, you know, they went the extra mile there, I feel like. Here is the little doodad you turn to make everybody spin. Right there. And yeah, I think this is a worthwhile purchase from Temu. I don't know if this is a Lego ripoff. I have no idea. Feel free to let us know in the comments if this is one of Lego's builds that some Chinese company has ripped off. I would certainly like to know. If not, if it was, you know, like actually one of their own designs, I would say wow, very much wow. Yeah. So lots of fun, easy construction. I'd say it was 3 sets of bags. Each bag probably took a little over an hour or maybe a little bit more, but not much more. So it's a quick build, just a quick fun build. And looks great. Look at him. He looks great. Turn him around one more time here. Give him another chance to break maybe. No. Very good. I had no missing pieces. That's always a good thing, especially on these Lego builds. Alright, well thank you so much for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. I hope this helped you decide whether you want to make your own Pac-Man platform thing there. A platformer. I'll see if I can also find it on Amazon for you, but I'll try to put the link from Amazon on there, or from Temu, I mean, and also one from Amazon. Maybe they have it there too, that you could look into it. Please consider, if you like this video, giving it a like, and please, please, please subscribe. We desperately need you. And, please consider supporting us on Patreon for $1 a month. Get ad-free access to our videos, and that $1 a month can help you decide what to love making next. Hopefully it's, Pac-Man. Thanks for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today.